everyone, welcome back with me in the paper in the craft.
Hello everyone, thank you for subscribing this channel and welcome to Pepper in the Craft. Today, this video shows how to make a very simple origami mouse. Let's join it. The first fold into a triangle. Take the right end of the fold and just press the top end as a sign. Fold the right end to the left like the video and follow step by step. The mouse origami has already seen its shapes. Take the right marker to make the mouth and the mustache. And the black pepper to make a big eyes and ears. Super easy mouse origami is ready. Subscribe, like, and share ya. Bye-bye.